I wish Moy did live close to me.
Why you not move down?
Why you not move up?
But people live 15 minutes, 45 minutes just with Mel. It's easier for you, huh?
Finally meeting a Jamaican girl.
Yeah, Jamaican.
My
Let me take them to Jamaican flag.
How long now since me and you connect online, Moy? We're representing. The kids eat Moy cook real Jamaican dinner. Rice and peas and chicken. Look how my baby's sweet. Look, say morning to the babes. Say hi. 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 Tell her, say morning to the babes.
Wagwan fish.
Wagwan fish. You call Papi?
Yeah, just call him.
You send him the picture?
You have
You guys are leaving.
you have my glasses.
Oui. Bye bye.
Okay.
Au revoir.
Without wind is different.
Oh yeah.
Au revoir,
I had a problem with the phone wasn't charging.
Mama.
Quoi? Je sais. Je sais.
Mama said we can't exit that way, babe. See, I know. You guys were leaving, Mama. Bittersweet. It was good while it lasts, but we gotta go back to our lives. We're about to head out high face. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
I'm happy at home that you are going at home because you can exercise.
Exactly.
I have my own room.
That's okay to not have your own room sometime.
Table. We have our own living room.
Yes, but when we come see Mama, we have to share, right? And that's okay, right? Right. He misses his own room.
Prendre la direction sud-ouest vers rue des Érables.
Ils auront des tickets gratuits pour la réunion du perdu chez la Jamaïque.
My glasses. 12 minutes essay for the first stop. Allez, merci pour tout.
Merci pour tout. Mouah.
Rentrez bien.
Oui.
Au revoir, mamie.
Attention sur la route.
Elle n'a pas entendu. Tout à l'heure, elle a dit
Tala.
au revoir, mamie.
Au revoir.
Wave, tell her, wave so she can see you. Your mommy at the window. Alright, you guys, we're ready to go. Hit the road. I didn't even give you guys a good introduction.
Il y a de quoi faire demi-tour là-bas?
Non, ça cul-de-sac.
Reverse.
Non, même pas demi-tour.
Reverse.
Là,
Just reverse. Oh, it's easy. Just not hit anything.
Uzio. Bébé.
You can't see? The bag or?
No, it was your.
Oh. Hi Faze, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. How many times I'm going to start this introduction? I don't know.
Yeah, but every time
No, I'm talking to myself, not you. I know I'm in your way, that's why I move. Say morning to the Faze husband.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
I feel good today.
You feel good today?
Yeah, you
in
have all
terms
of the, just check your
credit
papers,
card.
credit card.
When you say you feel good today, what do you mean?
I feel awake. It's not early
You feel
morning. I
rested?
feel ready to kill the world.
Hey!
My back is not too bad.
Good, I like the sound of that. Alright you guys, so we are heading home. The gate down there is open as you always say. Seems like it's always open. We are heading home.
Prendre à gauche
But
des Érables
before we go home, in 1 hour we'll be making a little stop, a little quick stop for a little surprise. Let me tell you, not often you get to meet a Jamaican in France, and Moy and I has been connected over social media for the past probably 2 years or more. Since Moy and I have been connected. Moy live close to Avignon, the city that we're in right now. And so on my way home, I'll be passing Moy's city. So we're gonna stop and spend a little time with Moy and her family before we head home. Moy is Jamaican from Portland, living here in France. Yeah, so you guys, and Moy is also a YouTuber like myself. I'll leave the link of Moy's channel down below in the description box. I think her channel is called, let me tell you exactly what Moy channel is called on YouTube, in case you don't see the link, or in case you don't want to click on the link. You can find Moy's channel
Somebody had just pooped on my car.
Uh-oh. A bird just pooped on them car.
Just in front of my eyes. I said, uh-oh, what is that? It's fresh. And I which I'm gonna have to swipe that.
Okay, my YouTube channel is called Moy and Matt French Jamaican Family. So that's Moy's channel, and I'll leave the link down below in the description box so you guys can go and follow Moy, and I'll leave her all her other socials. Anyway, you guys, let's go see my Jamaican girl, and then we're gonna head home. So see you guys in a bit. If you're new to the channel, and be sure to subscribe before you leave right now. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys along the rest of today's vlog. Me carry goodies some more. She unboxing. You guys, that's Moy and Matthew. She get goodies. Well, you get an next water.
Thank you, Mel.
You're welcome, Mama. The kids eat my cook real Jamaican dinner. Rice and peas and chicken. Look how my baby's sweet. Maya love the camera, you know. Maya. Coucou Maya. My kids are so beautiful.
Ça fait 14-15 ans, mais
Look at Sarah.
le début de l'ère, c'était à l'époque les machines.
Ça va, Tyler? You okay?
Voilà, si on a 7 d'écart, 6 d'écart, moi j'ai eu à 13-14.
Ah.
Je ne peux pas dire les R, je sais dire les R.
My speak with the R, let me hear.
Parle en français avec les chaussures.
Chaussures.
But she said good.
She said better than you.
My, me? Oh God, me struggle with the R so bad. My na di kitchen di rice who for babe?
No, fini.
Fini. Non, ça va, c'est bon comme ça. My rice and beans, roasted chicken, and vegetable.
C'était terrible.
Au début, t'avais la même
C'est
chaise.
pour ça que je connais son nom. Parce
Don't let me catch you at the table, man. Sure. You have Instagram?
Avec ça.
Du coup, ça, la licence de Gemma est pareil. Lui, il a eu ses papiers avec son
It's around you're eating and
Parce que
we're
sinon,
about
il
to
était
eat.
là. Mais même parce que moi, je.
Oh là.
Attends, mais en vacances, visiter la famille en France et faire les.
Oh, c'est
Ah, c'était dur, hein.
When they flash a name.
Ouais.
I'm trying to
le
get
grand
you.
lui par rapport à son âge, c'est différent.
Ah, c'est énorme.
My, sit down and let me catch
C'était une
you.
galère, un grand.
Parce que
Bah,
j'ai envie de
c'est énorme, Bruno Johannem.
manger. Sinon,
Oui, le monster
regarde,
quand même.
Oh, we try to catch everybody in the shop.
moi, j'ai mangé.
And she.
Voilà.
J'ai mangé.
Viens là.
Attends, la moitié de mes cheveux.
Look at all this here.
Viens là, dis-moi. Mais viens à côté de moi et toi, Tyler.
C'est pas possible.
Gemma, I love his tall here, my.
Ça, c'est mes.
And my, him don't want it to cut.
De 2011 à 2014.
But look at him, please.
J'ai actually one because
It's our fault.
Allez.
My, don't you see me working out every day?
Attends, pas un peu. Yes, merci.
Peas and chicken grease.
And then I will make 20 and we look pregnant.
Yes, pregnant.
Alright, pregnant that is.
A year that me pregnant and me no want to go.
Which part of you look pregnant? Sure, you see your belly flat and thing. But which one did live close to me?
Why you not move down?
Why you not move up?
But people live 15 minutes, 45 minutes just with Mel. It's easier for you, huh?
Finally meeting a Jamaican girl.
Yeah, Jamaican.
My,
I'm
my,
Jamaican flag.
how long now since me and you connect online, my? We're representing. About 2 years or more, na Joe?
2 years before Sarah.
Sarah, about 2 years.
Finally.
Scratch me leave my eye. Anyway, you guys.
We have to do it again this
On va
summer.
dire à peu près similaire. Et
Oui, en Angleterre, aux États-Unis, ils sont tous là-bas. En France.
KFC wings.
D'accord, barbecue avec des frites.
Oui, avec des frites,
D'accord, la boisson.
Pepsi.
KFC
D'accord,
for
et le dessert?
dinner.
Vous avez glace?
Oui,
Vos glaces à quoi?
Fraise.
il y a chocolat, caramel, fraise et nature.
Tu veux la fraise?
Fraise?
Non, chocolat.
Non, il veut chocolat.
D'accord. Avec ceci.
Je vais prendre un menu bucket pour 2 personnes en hot wings.
D'accord. Avec la boisson, vous voulez quoi?
Pepsi.
Yeah.
Pepsi et pour les deux et frites.
Donc, Pepsi pour les deux avec des frites?
Ouais.
En grand?
Non, normal.
D'accord. Avec ceci.
Ce sera tout.
Ça sera tout?
Ouais.
Alors, 19,80 € en prochaine semaine.
Ça marche.
Back at home. And we're having dinner.
Ou mayonnaise.
Tyler's having nuggets. And we're having what, babe?
We're having chicken wings.
Chicken wings. Happy to be home?
Yes.
It feels always good home.
Trust
No matter
me.
where we go,
Trust me.
home is home.
Home is home. Thank you, Lord, for journey mercies. We are back home safe and sound. Yes, Ty.
Can I use this to tree?
After you eat.
And use the little piece.
And Princess getting busy. Whose shoes Sarah have? Where Sarah have her brother's shoes in her hand? Take away your shoes from my sister. Come here. Stay, Ty, stay. Back in her tent. Give me your shoes. Back in your tent. You're back in your tent. She's too funny. All good things must come to an end.
Vacation done.
Too fast.
That was
One
cool.
more week.
That was good.
I had the most fun vacation, I must say. Even though COVID, we couldn't see all our friends and stuff, I still have a really good time with my mother-in-law.
That's good.
I really had a good time.
That's good.
How about you?
No, that was cool. That was fast. That was short. That was intense in terms of didn't get much rest. Good rest, should I say? But that was good. That was good. We actually did everything we planned to, and
Yeah.
even more. Everything happened well. Everything went well. So yeah, that was good. I'm happy about that time.
Now it's time to go back to regular life.
Yeah, every good things
Must come to an end.
So yeah, no, that was really cool. That was really cool. So
Hopefully you guys enjoy all the vlogs that we've showed while we were away, and now that we're back home, we'll be back to our normal life. So if you're new to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family. Catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys
tomorrow.